In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude mobile apps in your Google display campaign, a crucial step if you're looking to optimize your ad placements efficiently. Often, advertisers face the challenge of their ads showing up in places that aren't effective for their target audience, and mobile apps can sometimes be among those less than ideal placements. So, let's dive in and focus on excluding mobile apps from your Google display campaign effectively. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Ads account. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and visit the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed. Click on it and log into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This is your main dashboard, and from here we'll start making the necessary changes. Next, locate the Campaigns tab on the left hand side of the page. This section is your go-to area for managing all your ongoing and past campaigns. Click on Campaigns to access your list of campaigns. It's important to note that making these changes at the campaign level ensures that your ads are positioned where you intend them to be, maximizing your advertising effectiveness. So now within your campaign, spot the option that says Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This area deals with how and where your ads are targeted, an essential component of online advertising. Click on this option to expand it further. You'll notice a subcategory named Content, and that's our next stop. Simply click on Content. Here we are going to start configuring exclusions. Click on Edit Exclusions. Doing so will allow you to specify where you do not want your ads to appear. To proceed, click on Account, which gives you a broader setting range to apply these exclusions across all your campaigns under this account. This approach can be particularly beneficial if you're running multiple campaigns and want a consistent exclusion pattern throughout. After accessing the account settings, the next step involves selecting app categories. This is where the actual exclusions will be implemented. To effectively manage and exclude mobile app advertisements, select the Google Play option. This exclusion ensures that your ads are not running on mobile apps within the Google Play Store, therefore optimizing your ad spend and better targeting your desired audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully configured your Google display campaign to exclude mobile apps. This optimization can lead to a more targeted reach and a better return on your advertising investment. Remember, controlling where your ads appear can make a significant difference in your campaign's success. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.